guys, welcome back to my channel. Here is the another DIY video in which I am going to show you one super stylish hairstyle that is easy simple bun which you can create in a minute only. And you can transform this simple bun into many different looks like casual, funky, quirky, elegant, traditional, etc. just by changing the accessories. So this is gonna be an interesting video by which you can try your own different looks. So firstly, let's see how to create this simple bun. Comb your hair well. Gather all the hair to backwards and tie into a tight ponytail with the help of a rubber band. Adjust the front crown part. Now roll a ponytail into one direction and hold the bun into the place with the help of the other hand. Use U-pins in all four directions to secure the bun. You can use this bow either above or below your bun. You can decorate your bun with this cutie flower just by pushing it into the bun. You can use your small scarf to decorate this bun just by tying it around. Or you can use it another way. Tie your scarf to your ponytail and then roll your ponytail into the bun along with the scarf. Again, use the U-pins to secure it. For traditional look, I am shifting the bun to lower level. Use any simple pearl necklace around your bun to decorate it. Looks which you can try with different accessories. I haven't included the ready-made hair accessories which you get in the market because you all know how to use them, and of course you can use them also with this simple bun. That's why I have included only few unique ideas in this video. For those who have watched all my videos already know that these two accessories are made by me. So in case if you want to know how I created these accessories, you can find the video link in the description box below. If you don't want to miss my upcoming videos, please click the subscribe button down below. See you later in another video. Bye bye.